Just close your eyes. Hold me tight and say yes. I'll take you to paradise. And I promise never to let you go. Our love will last forever. Just say yes. Just say yes. Just say yes. Just say yes. I will show you how we can dance on the clouds. Fly with the wind. Travel to the stars. Just say yes. Just say yes.
Hello, hello, folks. So this is the trade I took. You saw that I took the trades on my challenge account and my personal account. I didn't had time to put on trade on this demo account paper trading. So I will explain my analysis and my bias for this trade. See here, what was the price doing in the pre-market? This is 9 o'clock, this is 10 o'clock. Before 9 o'clock, the order flow was bearish. Yesterday my bias was bullish. I wanted to see price to take out this high, but it didn't did that. It rejected lower in the last hour of trading here, and then came down and down. So the order flow was bearish. Before all of this, my bias was bullish because I was looking at the weekly chart. In weekly chart, I was looking at this candle, which I was looking at this area. So it was the change in state of delivery, the order block. I was looking at this area, the block. Yeah, this area, and in the H4, this was the order block line, and this was the breaker block. Breaker block is just from this high, it took out this liquidity and broke the structure to the upside, and I was looking for this this high was taken yesterday. My draw on liquidity was this buy side liquidity, but it was going lower and lower and lower. So when did I change my bias to bearish? This H1CB, I was looking reversal from here, and this was breakaway gap because this breaker block and this H1BC was resistance before this gap. So if the price was bullish, then it should have reversed from here, but it didn't did that. We had PMI numbers news at 10 o'clock. So this is the 9:30 opening. Price came down. This was the H1CB. This was H1CB, and price gone up and put out these equal highs. So my bias was bullish, but at 10 o'clock this was news. It came down, and it came down the next candle, it came down, and here is a small volume imbalance. This volume imbalance. If price is bullish, if my bias was correct, I wanted to see price gone above this and gone above this 50% of this CB. I wanted to see the price to gone up above this, and here is we have 1 minute BC. If the price gone above this and closed the candle above this BC, then this fair value gap should had respected to the order flow to be bullish, but it didn't did that. It came down. I was looking at this, it respected this level, and it was in 5 minute here. The price was testing this 5 minute CB and this H1 CB. It touched the low of that CB and immediately rejected down. And if I wanted to go short, I wanted to see break above this low. So the shift in market structure here. So that's why I changed my bias to short and took short position here. I wanted to take here, but the spreads and all that, I got entry here. I put my stop above this level. Why this? Because it's swing high, and here is also a 1 minute BC. It didn't respected this. If price comes up, it should act as resistance because it's broke lower than price. And my target was, first I took the partials here at 2 hour and then exited here. It came down, came up, I exited here. When I'm at my draw on liquidity for the shorts was this gap. It break below this BC. In 1 minute it came down up to here and rejected lower. So if the order flow is bearish, then it should not respect the bullish BCs. So it should come down. So this was my drawn liquidity, this BC, and 50% of which is the midpoint of this BC, consequent encroachment. And in the NQ was little stronger. So this was its drawn liquidity. Now it's rejecting from it. In the Dow was the most bearish pair, and this was the drawn liquidity. So that's why I took the short. Thank you.